I personally think that we will see a huge revolution in the coming 20 years where especially sensor technology will glue more or less the cyber world and the physical world. And I expect a situation where dreams that were called ambient intelligence, for example, in the past, that they will materialize in the time to be. So that's one thing. The other thing, I think, is that we are moving from what we call information overload society to a communication overload society. So there's so much appeal to people's attention that they will be flooded by all these communication attempts. And what I expect that we need technology to more efficiently deal with that. So that for me are the main challenges. The merger of the physical and the cyber world and the huge communication overflow, apart from the information overflow that's there already. Some of the futuristic dreams will come true. For example, another area which will see a lot of change is the whole area of healthcare. So what we currently see is that the continuous inflow of technology in that sector makes it simply unaffordable. The costs go up that steep, and it's mainly due to the introduction of new technology. So I think the big challenge there is how can we introduce a technology and at the same time get the costs down. And that will be an enormous shift from prevention, from cure to prevention. Yeah? And prevention has a very funny area between lifestyle and illness. And I think that there will change a lot. So, and it will not be changed so much because people feel like it, but because people will be forced like it through for economic reasons. We simply cannot afford to keep on investing more and more in the cure phase. We have to do much more in the prevention phase. And okay, there are initiatives now, but if you go to the practice, I mean, the dreams are there and the scenarios are worked out, but if you go to reality today, our healthcare system is hardly focused on prevention. It's almost 90% focused on cure. So that will be a big shift that I expect there. And ICT can play a role there in prevention, because it starts with knowing and predicting. And that's the power of ICT.